Okay guys, I'm going to experiment making a mouthwash. So I've got some bottled water, and the reason why I'm using bottled water in particular is I'm actually going to try to drill a hole in the top here so that it's like a squirty bottle so the kids don't put their mouth on the mouthwash. And I'm going to use minerals because you can remineralize your teeth. I'm going to use silver. This particular silver isn't it's the, what do they call that, the ionic silver. It's better if you get true silver, but I'm going to be using ionic silver. They're both good. Baking soda. You could use erythritol. Swerve is predominantly erythritol. It has the oligosaccharides, or whatever you say that word, in it too. But you could also use green leaf stevia powder or any stevia, right? And then I'm going to use for oil, I'm going to use On Guard, but you could use a blend. So On Guard is clove and cinnamon and orange, eucalyptus, and rosemary. So you can use what you want. So my ratios that I'm going to try for 2 cups here of water, I'm going to go with 10 drops of the minerals and a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of sweetener. And the drops, I'm going to do the kids bottle with, I think, 10 drops of On Guard. And then I'm going to do mine probably with 20. So I'll have a spicy and a not so spicy version. So let's get started. All right, the water's going in. 2 cups. Minerals are going in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those were like pretty squirty squirts, so 10-ish. All right, so I've got a teaspoon of the baking soda, and I'm going to do a teaspoon of silver, and I'm going to do a teaspoon of sweetener, and I'm making the kid version, so I'm going to just do 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, let's go 12. Oh, well, that might have been 13. I don't know. Okay, so I think the oils don't really blend in all the time perfectly. So you probably have to just give it a shake every time you're using it. And I'm going to keep mine in the fridge. So let's try to drill a hole in this lid. Okay, so we're disinfecting a screw here. Don't mind our dirty dishes. Handy helper. She's gonna get some nice holes here. Do it up on the cutting board so you don't hit the counter. Aha! We're in. So we'll do up 2 of those. Alright, we got our funnel. Just a whippy whip. We're going in. I don't think I've added a whole lot of substance, so hopefully it fits in nicely.
Just get you some.
I think there's always a bit of headspace in a water bottle.
You can stop. No, Mom. Oh no, you made it leak, Mom.
All right. That is maximizing. There we go. How exciting. Okay, I'm going to try it. Okay, or do you want to try it?
No.
Yeah, so you're just gonna go like this, and you're gonna go. Oh, you're gonna have to. All right. Just keep sloshing. Come here, Rose and Stevie. We're gonna talk about it in just a second when you spit. Okay, so this first squirt's the hardest because Lou squirted it and it wasn't too bad. Okay, give it a spit, Stevie, and let's get your review. I actually squirted it too, and it wasn't too bad. Okay. What do you think? What do you think of it? And then I'll tell you what I think of it.
It got in my nose.
Okay. What did you think of the flavor?
Tastes that good. It's kind of spicy. It tastes like mint. No, it's like
Clove. There's no mint in there.
tastes like On Guard.
Can you manage that spice level? Did you find it spicy? I think 10 drops might have been perfect. I think I went for 12, but it was nice for an adult spice level. It tastes like the On Guard. Yeah. Can you handle that every day after you brush your teeth? It'll be in the fridge waiting for you. Okay. So we've got a new batch, a kid batch. We did a heaping teaspoon of the sweet and only 8 drops of the essential oil. Okay, go for it. Let's see what you can do. But it's first use, so it's a bit full.
I'll use a bit.
No, you're gonna do slushy. Here, let me get Rosie sloshed up.
I can do it.
Here, ready?
No,
Rosie, ready? Ready?
Okay. This is okay.
Slosh away. Slosh. Gargle. Good, good, good. Gargle. Slosh it, Rosie. Like this. Like,
Rosie, slosh
like
it,
don't
slosh
spit. Oh, too quick. You gotta go like this. Okay, but how was the flavor?
Yeah.
It was good? You gonna do that after you brush your teeth?
Every day.
Okay, Lou did the comparison, so now we can get this dialed in. Okay, that was more mild, hey Lou?
That's way too. It has to be my.
And we took the label off so we can differentiate. And these are going in the fridge. Now we're ready to go. You guys, oral health, your mouth is where your gut begins. And they know that your oral health is directly connected to brain health.